Today I'm going to show you how to delete a file using AWS S3 in N8n step by step. If you work with automated workflows, this is a really useful action to know because it helps you clean up files, remove old uploads, and keep your S3 bucket organized without doing everything manually. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n automation tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your N8n workflow and look at the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can add new actions to your workflow. In that panel, search for AWS S3 and select it. Once you add the AWS S3 node, N8n will give you a list of available actions you can perform with your S3 bucket. From that list, choose Delete a File and seed a file. This is the action you need when you want to remove an object from your bucket. After selecting Delete a file, the next step is to configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll need to make sure your AWS credentials are connected properly because N8n has to authenticate with your Amazon S3 account before it can delete anything. Then enter the bucket information and provide the file details exactly as needed. In most cases, that means specifying the file path or the object key of the file you want to delete. Make sure this is accurate because deleting the wrong file can't be undone from N8n once the action runs. If you're working inside a larger automation, double check that the file name and folder path match the item you actually want removed. After all the details are filled in, review the node settings one more time to confirm everything looks correct. This is always a smart step before running any delete action. Then simply execute the node. N8n will send a request to AWS S3 and delete the file from your bucket automatically. Once it runs successfully, the file will be removed, and your workflow can continue to the next step if you have more actions set up. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a file using AWS S3 in N8n. It only takes a few steps. Open the Nodes panel, choose AWS S3, select Delete a File, configure the details, and execute the node. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more N8n tutorials and automation guides.